Hello, welcome back. This is Art for All and we're outside in the garden today working. Now recently we created a painting, an abstract meadow like this one. Today we're going to use some of the techniques from that one on here, but we're also going to be adding a new technique. So if you'd like to join in, you're going to need a list of equipment like this. So first, this is already being prepared. I've sprayed it with silver and white. Some cans there, and the silver from the top down out there, and the white from there and up. That's dry now and ready. And the first technique is a new one, and we're going to be using some gold and bronze spray cans. We're not spraying. We're going to do a different technique. I'm going to use this. I'm going to spray in there and throw it. But you're going to need to be safe first. You've got your mask. Got my glasses. I'm going to pop a glove on. Okay, so first, second, and more. Okay, so there's a little bit in there, and then I throw. It's going to run down. Spray again. I do one more. Down here. I'm going to change colour. I'm going to add some gold. Got the same lid. One more, I'm going to add some black spray. This is my black. And again. Take this off. And then, so next we're going to do some chopping. And I've created lots of other videos using some card and chopping. These, cut them out, some old card, fold them, and we chop. Next, you'll paint using acrylics. Then down in a line, going to chop. Make sure that's on there nicely. Chopping, as we call it. Okay. Got some dark green. Actually, no, I'm going to do this one next. And then we've got one more chopping. Going to swap. I'm going to use the little one. Okay. So next we're going to use a balloon again. Like this. Added a pot on there with some tape. Makes it easier to hold. Using the same colour flowers as before, like this. Squirted them out. One is round. That one is more similar to a flower. Squeeze them out. And then we get our balloon. On there. And press. There we go. Going to do some more big ones. Beautiful. One more big one. Okay. Going to add some little flowers, smaller balloon. That one's got a special, and again I've taped around. Makes it easier to hold. I'm going to dip it in this one. so. And then lovely. Just going to swap it with this one, a tiny one. Squishing that on there. And okay, I think that'll do. Up there is some little bit there. Okay, now hope you like this today. It's lovely to get outside again and paint something a little bit different. So if you do try these really easy techniques, show us, share with us your work. Don't have to choose the same colours as me. You can be creative, just try the different techniques. So thank you for watching. My name is Sandra. This is Art for All. Bye.